Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about one rare, hidden, not so explored career which is of patent analyst, patent agent. Now what exactly does this role offer you? What are the recruiting companies? What is the salary? आज के इस वीडियो में हर एक चीज को हम ब्रेक डाउन करके देखेंगे. Imagine आपको एक आइडिया आया. You have an idea. So what is the first thing you do? Is that idea already existing? Does someone had that idea already? You do a prior art search. After a prior art search, you file out for the patentability. Is it having industrial application? Is it novel? Right? You search about the patentability prerequisites. Followed by you start doing design specification. If it is a product patent, process patent, whatever patent it is, you make sure that you draft a patent with a proper patentability search strategy. So searching for existing patent is not that easy कि बस Google पे type कर दिया. No, patent search has a particular search strategy where you use and or not as boolean operators. So it is very critical, because if that idea is already existing and you have built something on that, you have invested so much, and then you come to know that idea was already existing, that would be a devastating and monetary loss for the company. So that is why whenever you are talking about patent, so there you need to know in your interview questions, the first question that can be asked, what is a patent? You should know what is a patent and what is an IPR, intellectual property rights, and is it for tangible or intangible things. Along with that, you need to know claims. So there are two types of claims: independent claim, which is a prior claim, and on that there are certain dependent claims. Queries. So query writing, sometimes when you are giving your patent for examination, there could be some queries which should come from the IPO, EPO, USPTO, wherever, PCTNP, right? Wherever you are trying, there could be certain queries which would come. So query writing and query resolution. Along with that, you need to know regulatory bodies, whether you are submitting to Indian patent, European patent, US patent, which patent office you want to submit it for, right? Prior art search, the search strategy, as I told you, you need to be very careful and apply every permutation combination, so there is no chance left for that idea existing. So Patents Act 1970, Patents Rule 2003, Designs Act 2000 and Design Rules 2001. These are extremely 4 important laws that you need to know thoroughly. If you are going to go for a patent analyst, you don't need an exam, it is for a fresher level role. But if you are going for patent agent has an examination, PAE, patent agent examination, which is going to be in 2027. So it is having the lowest entry barrier because it has less awareness. ज़्यादातर लोगों को पता ही नहीं है वो क्या होता है. So the roles that are offered are patent analyst, IPR specialists, PI analyst, which is patent information analyst, patent search analyst. Right, there are different job roles interchangeably offered by different companies, and they give you a salary pay of 40,000 to 1 lakh also, because a company, when they are designing, they are doing R&D, patent is the primary thing that they need. If their product is already existing, then there's no use of the new formulation. Anybody could copy and replicate that, right? So that is why a person should know how a patent publication works, patent examination works, and grant and renewal. Up to the patent grant everybody knows, but can you blanket it? Blanketing of patent, renewal of patent, how can it be renewed? What are the ways in which I can blanket it, right? So different search strategies, publication, examinations, grant, renewal, these are few things that you need to closely know if you want to work into a patent organization. So Sun Pharma, Glenmark, Cipla, Zydus, Abbott, Alkem, Pfizer, Intas, DRL, pick up any pharmaceutical company, medical device company, regulate any company, biopharmaceutical companies, biologics, they can file patents. Now in this, one important thing, which are non-patentable, section 3 and 4. So there are different sections of a patent. You need to thoroughly know about section 3 and 4. Okay, how section 3 and 4 they are important, that you need to know thoroughly. And many times, let me tell you, when you go for interview, this is a live example, they ask you, suppose you have a oven in your kitchen, how can you file a patent for it? So sometimes they want to see applicability, they don't want mug up, crammed up answers, they want how much brainstorm you can do. So existing ka, how can you file a patent, or what can be its use in pharma? How can you use that same oven in pharma? So like for green synthesis, for hot air oven, something like that, right? So they just want to see a spectrum of thinking. So that is also one of the questions which can be asked to you. So that is it about patent agent and patent analyst. If you enjoyed it, I discussed salary, companies, I discussed about the different rules. Along with that, what are Google patents, EPO, IPO, design specifications, patent drafting, claims, query, search strategy, regulatory, patent grant, patent renewal, patent publications, all the things in one video. We are going to come up with more such careers, hidden avenues and prospects for you. Stay connected, stay tuned for more such videos.